طيب بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Welcome everybody to a new video, new meeting. Today we're gonna discuss time intervals. It's just like continuing of the previous lesson and the one before. We already learned how to convert between the 24-hour clock and the 12-hour clock, and we already started talking about the time intervals in the meeting before last one, and we have said that when we talk about time intervals, this means we are gonna calculate the time duration between two events or the beginning and the end of an event. So let's get started with some more examples about this topic. Uh, this example says Mr. Johnson conduct art lesson. Okay. Mr. Johnson conduct art lessons. Each lesson is 1 hour, have 30 minutes, means 1 hour and a half. Number A, or question A, the lesson usually ends at 10:45. What time does the lesson start? Okay, I want you to tell me what should we do right now. The lesson usually ends at 10:45. What time does the lesson start? What should we do? Okay, raise hand, or you can simply open your mic and talk.
Me.
Yes,
Teacher, what's the
Sahel.
page?
We
Not
have
page.
to
Follow me
do,
on the board. Look at the board.
Okay.
we have
Sahel.
to do, we have to do subtraction.
Subtraction. Okay.
Yes.
Is there another way to solve this question? To answer this question? We are required to find the starting time, isn't it? Guys, am I right? We are required to find the start time. The start time of what? Of the lesson, right? Very
Yes.
good. So we are gonna say, but Sahel says we are gonna subtract. It's correct, but we also can use the timeline to find the answer. So we are given the end or the start time. What the time we were given?
Sure. What page?
No need to follow the book. Just follow me here.
End time.
Please.
End time.
Okay, you are given the end time, right?
Yes.
Now, and you are given also the duration, right?
Yes.
So I'm gonna start with the end time to find the start time, right? You see the start time, you see the end time.
Yes.
We are given the end time. We should find the start time of the lesson. How could we do that? We could do that by counting back, right?
Yes.
So what was the time? What was the starting time? Oh, sorry, the end time. What was the end time?
10:45. 10:45.
All right, 10:45, right? If you
Yes.
follow this question,
Yes.
Mr. Johnson's conduct lesson. Each lesson is 1 hour 30 minutes. The lesson usually ends at 10:45. What time does the lesson start? So the end is the lesson ends at 10:45.
10:45.
Then we are gonna count back to
Ten.
find the starting time. Inmar, Please don't blow on the mic. لا تنفخ على المايك. طيب. So now, you know, the duration was 1 hour 30 minutes, isn't it? So we are going to count back in steps of hours and minutes. How many hours should we go back?
1 hour.
أستاذ
Yes, 1 hour. Yes.
الشات ما يقدر ينكتب. الشات ما
No
يكتب.
need for the chat.
Why?
What do you want to say? Say it here.
No, I want to say to Ahmed Ali.
Ah, you want to talk privately? No,
Yes.
not allowed. Ahmed. طيب, guys, please concentrate here on the
شوف
board.
الواتساب يا أحمد علي.
Ahmed, I'm gonna remove you if you still like this.
Okay.
Keep silent. طيب.
Teacher, we write.
Later. So we are going to count back in steps of hours and minutes. So how many hours should we go back?
1 hour.
Very good, 1 hour. So 1 hour is gonna be, what's the time before 1 hour? What's the time 1 hour before? I can't hear you. Don't try.
9:35.
9:45.
Yes.
Why?
10 minus 30.
Yes, no. 1 hour.
10 minus 1.
1
10
hour.
minus 1.
Yes, 10 minus 1, because 10 is the hour.
Yes.
Teacher, the answer.
Who's talking?
Teacher, the answer.
No, don't tell me the answer. Just, guys, I want you to answer my questions, okay? Don't tell me the final answer.
Then we will do 45 minus
Type.
30 minutes.
Wait, step by step. Now we go back in steps of hours. Now we need to go back in steps of minutes, right? How many minutes?
30 minutes. 30.
30 minutes. So we have 45 minutes minus
Yeah.
Minus
9
minus 30. This is gonna be
9:50.
9:15, because 45 minus 30 equals 9:15. Okay, very good. Now we came up to the answer. Very nice. Any question here?
No.
Yep.
Teacher, I didn't understand.
Okay. Hanin, no problem. The question is, Mr. Johnson conducts art lesson, okay? He's doing art lessons. Each lesson, wait, let me remove this. Each lesson is 1 hour 30 minutes, okay?
Okay.
The lesson usually ends at 10:45. We are given the end time, okay? The end time. What is the end time? No. What is the end time?
First step we need to
10:54.
1 hour first take per no 30 minutes and then the answer will be there.
Who is talking? Okay, guys. Hanin, the end time was at 10:45. Then we need to go back to find the start time. We need to find the start time, okay?
Okay.
Okay. How many hours and minutes should we go back?
1 hour.
Hanin. Look here. Each lesson is 1 hour 30 minutes. Right? So we need to go back 1 hour and 30 minutes. So minus 1 hour. 10:45 minus 1 hour means what is 10:45 minus 1 hour? The hours is 10, right? The minutes is 45.
Yeah.
So
9:54.
9:45. Very good. Here is it. Okay, here it is. Then we should go back 30 minutes more. Okay? Focus here, Hanin. 30 minutes back from 9:45 is gonna be what? 9:15. Why? Because
Yeah.
45 minus 30 minutes means 15. Give us 15. Okay? So the answer is the lesson starts at what?
9,
9.
13, 15,
Yep.
15.
9:15. Very nice. Let's go to the next. If you wanna
Yes.
follow me, guys. If you no, don't write. If you wanna follow me on the book, follow me on page 109.
No, no. What was teacher?
109. But I prefer you to follow me on the board to better understanding. Okay.
Okay.
Teacher, page what?
109.
190.
109.
Teacher, yesterday we have homework.
Yesterday you didn't have a lesson, guys. You didn't have a class.
Ah,
Okay. This is the second question in that question. During the it is related to the previous one. Okay, it is related to the previous one. This is B. During one of the lessons, Mr. Johnson starts at the usual time, but ends 50 minutes later than the usual time. What time does Mr. Johnson end the lesson? Okay, what was the starting time now for the lesson? What was it? Hey guys.
9:15.
Yes, 9:15. Why? Because it says Mr. Johnson starts his lesson as usual, and we know that the lesson starts at 9:15. So this is the starting time, 9:15. But he didn't finish at the time as the normal or the usual time, because he finished or he ends 50 minutes later. Okay, so 50 minutes later from when? From what time?
9:15.
No. 50 minutes later from 9:45. Did you know why?
No.
Wait, I'll tell you why. Okay, he started as usual. Okay, he started as usual. Which means it was 9:15, and then instead of finishing at 11:45 like usual, he didn't end his lesson at this time. Instead, he add 15 minutes more. So he ends 50 minutes later. Did you get it? Did you get it?
No.
Not yet. So, okay. He was supposed to end the lesson at what time?
10:45.
10:45. But he didn't finish at that time. He added 50 minutes more.
Yeah.
Okay? He added
Okay.
from the normal duration of the lesson, from the normal time of the lesson, he added 50 minutes more. Okay?
You have to do at this time.
This time we are gonna add 50 minutes because he ends 50 minutes later than the usual time. The usual end time was 10:45, but he ends 50 minutes later. So we're gonna add 15 minutes. Okay?
Now I understand. Okay.
Did you understand?
Yeah.
Very good, very good. So let's
Teacher, can
say,
you repeat it?
okay, I can repeat it. Mr. Johnson started his lesson as usual at 9:15. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Then instead of finishing at the usual time, which is 10:45, okay, he was
Yes.
supposed to finish or to end the lesson at 10:45, but he didn't do
1
that
hour
because
and 30 minutes.
he ended it 15 minutes later. Okay,
Yeah.
from the usual time.
Okay.
This means we are going to add 15 more minutes to find the end time for this lesson.
And
Okay,
Okay.
so
then,
now,
teacher,
yep,
Okay.
10:95.
wait, step by step. Now from here, from this point, we are going to count 15 minutes. But now the minutes are 45, right?
Yeah.
We cannot add 50 directly 50 minutes, because how many minutes do we have in the 1 hour? 60 minutes.
60.
So if we add 50 to the 45, we are going to have more than 50,
95.
right?
No, we have
Some of you are talking and they are muted. They are muting their mics. Okay.
So,
If you want to speak,
Teacher,
open your
I
mic.
can
Yeah.
ask you.
Ask me.
This number line for what?
This is called
Or
timeline. Timeline to find the beginning and the end time. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, Hanin.
From where we get 9:50?
9:15.
Yeah.
Okay, 9:15 is the starting time from here, from the previous question, from the previous one. Here,
Teacher, why we
did you
put
see this?
50 minutes?
Wait. Okay, Hanin, the lesson starts at 5:15, right?
Okay.
As usual.
Yeah.
Who was asking? Sarah, is it you?
Yeah.
Okay, Sarah, you said why should we add 50, right?
Yeah.
Okay. What is the usual time of the end of the lesson?
10:54.
10:45. Right?
Yeah, teacher, from where we got 10:45?
yeah, teacher.
10:45 is from here. The usual end time usually ends at 10:45. Usually this is يعني دائما, always you finish at this time. But one of the times, okay, he didn't finish at this time. He finished or he ends 50 minutes later. Okay, so 50 minutes later.
Yeah.
Teacher, we
Minutes
didn't
later
write.
from the
Yeah.
usual end time. Okay?
Teacher, we didn't write.
Don't
Okay.
write. Please don't interrupt me when I'm explaining. Guys, Sarah, look here. It says, but ends 50 minutes later than the usual time. The usual time is 10:45. Then he ends 50 minutes later. 50 minutes later means we are gonna add more 50 minutes. 50 minutes more. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now, as I told you, we have only 60 minutes in 1 hour. If we are going to add 50 minutes to the 45, we're gonna get 94. This is not correct for the minutes. So what we are going to do is that, quiet please. What we are going to do is we're going to reach that the hour after 10. What is the hour after 10? 11. It is 11.
11:35.
No, 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 no. What is right after 10? The hour after 10? 11. This is the first step. So
Yeah.
to reach 11, how many minutes do we need? From the 10:45?
15.
15, right?
Yeah.
To reach 11, we need 15 minutes, right?
Yeah.
Then, but we need 50 minutes. We need to add 50 minutes. We already added 15 minutes. Then how many minutes left to add 50? 35, right? Because 35 plus 15 equals 50. Okay, then I'm gonna add more, 35 minutes more. Why?
11:35.
It's gonna be
35.
11:35. So I already added how many minutes?
5.
5.
The total minutes I added, what was?
11:35.
Guys, from here to here, I added 50, right?
Yes.
I started by adding 15 to reach 11, exactly 11. Then I added more 35 to get to add the 50 minutes. Okay. So what was the end time?
11:35.
11.
Very nice.
35.
So we can say
50.
the lesson ends at 11:35, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Any question here? Any question here?
No. No.
No.
Okay.
Okay. Teacher, what is the homework?
We still have one more example to take, then I'll give you the homework.
Okay. Teacher, please, no homework.
Why?
Yes, teacher, no homework. We don't want.
You know, if you don't do the homework, you are not quiet. If you don't do the homework,
you not be smart.
yeah, you are not gonna get the idea as it's supposed to be. Okay, let me mute everyone because I need to. We have one more example here. So please focus here. Focus on this question, on this exercise. Mr. Hadi and Mr. William both started washing their cars at 15:35. Both of them started at 15:35. Mr. Hadi finished washing his car at 16:17. Mr. William finished washing his car in 54 minutes. Who took a longer time to wash his car? How much longer? So what we are given, what we were given here is the starting time. So the starting time for washing okay, it was 15:35. Now we are giving the time in the 12-hour clock or the 24-hour clock. Who can tell me? Open the mic and speak.
B.
What is it?
Teacher, can I answer?
Answer, yes.
Teacher.
Answer. Everyone can answer.
15.
Nobody answered. Okay. The time was given in the 24-hour clock. Okay. In the 24-hour clock, not in the 12-hour clock. Okay. Guys, look here, please. So the starting time of washing the cars was at 15:35. Then this is for both Hadi and William. Okay, Mr. Hadi and Mr. William. Who was raising hand? Yes, Sahl. You want to say something, Sahl or Suhaila?
15:35 is 3:35 and 16:17 is
But
4:17.
did I ask you to answer? Okay. So Mr. Hadi finished washing his car at, so wait, finish time for Mr. Hadi was at 16:17. Somebody is raising hand. Hopefully no answering. Yes, Ibtisam. Ibtisam.
Ustaz.
Can I answer?
Yup. No, wait. Wait, let me finish. Right. Now we know the starting time for both Mr. Hadi and William. And then we are given also the finish time for Mr. Hadi, which was at 16:17. But Mr. William, we were not given the finish time of Mr. William, right? But it says here, oops, wait. It was said it takes Mr. Hadi finished washing his car in 54 minutes. So we are going to start from the start time for him. It was 15:35. This was the starting time to wash the car for Mr. William, and then it took for him 54 minutes. So we are going to count in steps of minutes or hours, in steps of minutes, because he only took for 54 minutes. So we're going to say this is 15:35. I need to reach the time 16. Who can tell me what is the time to reach 16? How many minutes do we need from 15:35 to reach 16, exactly 16? Haneen, have a question or you want to answer?
No, I want to answer.
Yeah, what was it? What is the, how much or how many minutes?
5 minutes. No. Yeah, 5.
5 minutes only to
No,
reach
no, no,
16?
no, no, no.
It is
No, no.
15:35.
25.
25, very good. Thank you. Type 25, so we're going to say it is plus 25 minutes. This means 16. Then from the 16 to the end time, how many minutes more do we need? We already added 25 minutes, but it took 54 for him to end his washing his car. So who knows? I see Muhammad and Ahmed are sleeping. Ahmed Bassam and Muhammad Al-Malahi. Wake up. So nobody knows? Okay, Noor, if you want to raise from the button. Okay, Noor.
17 minutes. We have to put 17 minutes.
17? Why 17?
Yes.
No, this is for Mr. Hadi, and we are looking for the end time for Mr. William. He finished his washing his car in 54 minutes. Okay. Then we already counted 25 minutes. How many minutes more for 54 minutes after 25 minutes?
12 minutes.
We're going to minus 24, right? So 54 minus 25 is going to be 39. 39, right? So plus 39. Why? Because 39 plus 25 equals 54. So 54, wait, plus 39. So because 54 was the time it took from Mr. William to finish washing his car. I'm not sure if this is clearer for you guys. Is 17? Okay, yeah. I am. Why is it like this? Wait. Okay. I'm going to get the answer in a different way, guys. Okay. So here means 16:39, right? So please focus here. Now we have found the end time or the finish time for Mr. William. So Mr. William finished at 16:39. But Mr. Hadi finished at 16:17. Am I right? Okay, let me open the mic for you guys. I think some of you want to say something. Guys, we have only 2 minutes. Okay, you didn't understand.
Teacher,
Yep.
teacher, I want to ask you one thing.
Yep.
Yeah, the group for grade 1.
Guys, listen to me. Quiet. Inmar, quiet. Guys, we have less than 2 minutes to finish this meeting. So let me say something. I'm finding the answer in different way. Quiet. I'm finding the answer in different way, like what is in the book. Okay. We are given the finish time of Mr. Hadi, but we were not given the finish time of Mr. William. So from the timeline, I found the end time of Mr. William. Okay. Is that clear?
I did it into another way.
Why are you doing this, Inmar?
the homework.
Wait.
Teacher, I can answer in another way.
Let me remove Inmar. Let me remove him. He's not doing very well. Okay. In this way, okay, guys, this is going to be end soon. So you are going to minus 39 because this is the end time for Mr. William. From the Mr. Hadi, 17. You're going to see it is 12. Oops. Okay, guys, let's finish this in the next lesson, inshallah. Okay, let me repeat
Teacher,
this.
but I did it in another way.
Okay. In the next meeting, I'm going to repeat this. Okay.